Get glowing skin at home in just 2 weeks. Number 1. Turmeric. Turmeric can whiten the skin and add beautiful glow to your face. It is an excellent antiseptic and skin lightening agent that helps minimize scars and other marks. Plus, turmeric can alleviate allergic, inflammatory, and infectious skin disorders that make your skin look dull and lifeless. Make a paste by mixing equal amounts of turmeric powder and gram flour with a little water or milk. Apply it evenly on your skin and leave it on until it dries. Wash it off with lukewarm water, scrubbing your skin gently in a circular motion. Follow this remedy once a week to lighten your skin tone and remove scars. Number 2. Baking soda. Baking soda exfoliates dead skin cells and also neutralizes the skin's pH. It soothes the skin and heals any inflammation that may be present as well. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of extra virgin coconut oil. Apply the mixture on a damp face and neck using circular motions. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Moisturize as usual. Number 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is the ultimate solution for skin problems. Its nourishing and healing properties rejuvenate the skin to give it a natural glow. Mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply this mixture on the face and neck evenly. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Number 4. Papaya. Ripe papaya contains papain, an enzyme that acts as a mild exfoliator. This gently removes the top layer of dead cells on the face and makes your skin radiant and younger looking. It also clears the dirt and oil that can lead to acne and breakouts on the face. Take a ripe papaya and cut it into small pieces. Take some pieces in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon milk to it. Mix all of them to get a paste-like consistency. Apply it all over your face and neck. Keep it on for 20 minutes and then rinse with cool water. Do this once every week. Number 5. Cucumber. Cucumbers contain hydrating, nourishing, and astringent properties that are very good for skin. They can improve the overall appearance of your skin by repairing damaged skin cells, removing dead skin cells, and adding a fresh glow. Alternatively, make a mixture with equal amounts of cucumber juice and lemon juice. Apply this mixture to your skin, allow it to dry completely, and then wash it off with warm water. Repeat this once in every 3 days.